Now, Storm Tracker weather with East Idaho's chief meteorologist, Doug Iverson.
Tell you this, weather's never boring around here, especially this time of year. We've seen it all this week. In fact, this afternoon, there were a few lightning bolts on the radar map this afternoon with that batch of rain and snow that moved over Pocatello real quick. Quick burst of winter, if you will. Flood advisory continues for the central portion of Jefferson County. So Territon, Mud Lake, Hamer, Roberts area, you're all included in that. We showed you some flooding pics from what's going on up there. We also have a flood advisory continuing for southwest Bingham County all the way to Aberdeen. That includes Pingree, Springfield, Sterling, and Rockford. And then most of Lincoln County, the Magic Valley area is under a flood advisory. And we still have that avalanche warning for the backcountry. Fremont County, all for the most part of western Wyoming, Custer County, Blaine County, and a portion of Camas County. So high avalanche danger in the backcountry. Yeah, stay where you're supposed to, basically. Storm tracker radar, still a little bit of moisture out there, still snowing over parts of the lower Snake River Plain, and some rain mixed in as well. Eventually, this will thin out later tonight. We'll get some clearing. That means tonight will certainly be colder than last night. A lot of us are going to be freezing for a change. Yeah, it's been pretty mild, not just during the day, but also during the nighttime. You can see a little more of that thinning out on the wider shot of the satellite radar map, especially over the Arco Desert, and even more so the farther west we go. So we'll get some clearing tomorrow. That means a lot of us will enjoy a bit more sunshine. Finally, some blue sky to look at when you look up at least. 38 for a high at Idaho Falls, well, at least the temperature right now. We've cooled off, 39 at Pocatello. Meanwhile, down in Salt Lake City, it's a balmy 53 degrees. Warm down there. What snow, right? Tonight's forecast for the Snake River Plain, turning partly cloudy later tonight. Look at the lows. Some places down in the teens. For the Central Mountains, just isolated snow showers basically this evening. Stanley will have a low of -1. Evening snow showers for the upper highlands in western Wyoming, but colder overnight. 3 below zero in Yellowstone. Will be about 15 overnight in Montpelier with some evening snow showers. For the southeast highlands, snow possible though tomorrow evening. We'll start off pretty dry, but things could change later on. Chance of some afternoon, evening snow tomorrow for the upper highlands in western Wyoming, and snow likely later in the day for the central mountains with high temperatures backing off. And most of us for the Snake River Plain will see sunshine, nice, and clouds, and we'll see temperatures a little bit cooler. Only 140 on the map. That will go in American Falls. Your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. We got a mix of clouds and sunshine to start off the weekend. We're dry, clear through Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Rain and snow, though, next Wednesday, and then it's all rain on Thursday. So a few dry days before we get into next week's stormy pattern there. We're dry this weekend, but notice how we're colder, especially at night, down in the single digits. Teton area could see some snow late in the day tomorrow. Definitely more snow Saturday. And then we'll get a few days to help dig ourselves out. Wednesday, Thursday, it's snow and then to a rain-snow mix a week from now. Your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer's 7-day forecast. Snow late in the day tomorrow, and then a chance of that lingering on Saturday. A rain-snow mix next Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures warming back into the 40s.